What's up, you guys? It's been a while, right? Wanted to show you an update. Can you guys tell anything new? Well, I'm back on 35s. These are the all-terrains, actually. Unlike the mud terrains last time I had on here. But yeah, back on 35s. Pretty excited about it. I've been, since I got those last tires, is the 285/70s. I was like, damn, man, I miss having 35s. Looks so much better with having the tires stuffed in there. And the new 4th gens fit the 35, so you might as well do it if, that's what you want. But, yeah, so if you remember, these method wheels are a plus 25 offset. So with the 35 by 1250 tire, as you can see, sticks out a little bit, nothing crazy. And with that happening though, now, I noticed I took out the crash plate. Obviously helps free up a lot, but it's hitting right here. Not bad, but when it's at full lock, it hits. I'm gonna have to, I see guys that actually bend this metal up. It actually bends pretty easy right here, and they fold it in, which would help out a lot. I might have to do that. Kind of touches right here in the felt. Might have to trim a little bit. It's nothing bad. But yeah, mileage isn't too bad, and I don't notice any power difference. It looks pretty sick in person. I don't know. These have been out a while, so hopefully you guys seen one in person with 35s on the new 4th gen. Just looks hella good. Still sport raked in the back. That's stock height, and it's crazy. They sit up so tall in the rear. But yeah, just a little update, you guys. Back on 35s. At least they're all-terrains. It rides really nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm still open to suggestions, any videos you guys want to see. Gonna do actual off-roading again on a good trail. Try to get a video of that for you guys. But yeah, check out the links in the description. Thanks you guys for watching, and stay tuned.